Welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how to sign on to your Google Analytics account. Finding it's easy. All you need to do is type in Google Analytics on your search bar and it should be your #1 result. Now once you've done that, go ahead and click Sign in to Google Marketing Platform. If you don't already have Analytics set up, go ahead and begin the process of setting it up. All you need to do is complete these 3 steps to start analyzing your site's traffic. If you already have an account, it'll bring up this screen. Make sure you select the correct user and enter in the correct password. Once you've logged in, it'll bring you to your dashboard. On this page, there's a bunch of useful and helpful elements showing you how users are interacting with your site, such as how they've interacted with your site in the past 7 days, active users on right now, how did you acquire your users, where your users are visiting from, and even what times your users are visiting your site. A useful tool to use is your Audience Overview. While in Audience Overview, you can select different date ranges. This is a way for you to compare your analytics over different time periods. Thanks for watching this video and check back with RedShark Digital for all your digital needs.